What is an ISO file?
An ISO file is a single digital archive that contains the entire contents of a CD, DVD, or Blu-ray disc. Think of it as a virtual snapshot of a disc, often used for backups or software distribution. You don't always need to burn or mount ISO files. There are easier ways to access their contents right on your computer.
Why extract ISO files without mounting?
Mounting an ISO file creates a virtual disk drive, which can be unnecessary and confusing for beginners. Extracting lets you view and use the files inside an ISO without extra steps or special tools. This approach is simpler if you just need to access documents, installers, or media stored in an ISO image.
Popular tools for extracting ISO files.
Compression tools like 7-Zip, WinRAR, and PeaZip can open ISO files on Windows, while Keka and the Unarchiver are common choices for Mac. These programs work much like unzipping a folder. No complex setup or virtual drives required. Most are free to use and easy to install.
How to extract an ISO with 7-Zip.
First, download and install 7-Zip from its official website. Once ready, right-click the ISO file, choose 7-Zip, and then select Extract Here or Extract To. The contents will unpack into a normal folder where you can access or copy files just like any other.
Tips and considerations.
Always ensure you trust the source of your ISO files to avoid security risks. After extraction, check for README or instructions if the ISO contains software. If you only want specific files, most extraction tools let you open the ISO and copy individual items without unpacking everything.
Conclusion: easy access without mounting.
With popular compression tools, you can extract the contents of almost any ISO file without mounting. This method is straightforward, time-saving, and removes the need for virtual drives. Now you can access what's inside your ISO images quickly and easily.